Hello and welcome to this week's I-26. Going north from the airport, we have a traffic jam. Not bad. We have a lot of neat stuff to see. They are working on the uh, off-ramp area. I couldn't see it good from this view, but there was something important. I'm going to have to pull that up on the side view. Maybe make a short out of it. Anyhow, coming on. We got in behind these guys. And the big news for the paving is that we have the paver across Glenbridge Road. I wonder why they did that, but at the same time, maybe they're wanting to go all the way down and then come back so that they can have time to get ready for the paving underneath Airport Road. I mean, that makes sense. Who knows? But they have the paving done from Glenbridge Road up to basically the bottom of the hill. And they have the rebar down for the left side, and there's the paver moved over to the other side of the Glenbridge Road Bridge. So that is going to be getting poured probably by the end of next week. I think that it will take them a couple of days to get everything set up. So it might not be before the end of next week, but I think it will be by the end of next week that they start that paving. Not 100% certain. You can see there some of the rebar things. I wonder how quickly they will set up for the other side to come back, or if they're going to just continue on, but it doesn't look like they've done enough prepping below the hill here to be done. So, who knows? In the meantime, coming down the hill, they have been continuing to work here close to Long Shoals. They have something going on the exit that's been happening for the last 2 or 3 days, and it might go into next week. But who knows? They're just refinishing the side or something there. I'm not sure. They got a couple of trucks there putting something in, and they had that lane completely closed again. So doing something to change that. We have some continued uh, digging out and replacing. Maybe that's where they're putting some of the dirt. I saw them. I was up at the top of the Parkway Bridge, and they're digging out some dirt up there and taking it somewhere else. It might be coming down here to be compacted in for that last lane coming down the hill. Don't know. We got uh, some work going on the auxiliary access road. I don't remember how long it usually takes them to put the panels down, but we are definitely moving on that. It does not look like they have put another segment up as of Thursday, but they did take the standing platform down, and there is a piece up there on Friday. So, hope you don't mind waiting a few days for the bridge update. That's going to be here next week, and that truck was pulling out to take the dirt somewhere because they've been digging a lot. They've also moved a lot of dirt down the hill over here. Not sure what's happening, but I would say that they're going to have some major prep towards paving. It's only the 2nd of February, so by the end of February, I will assume that that is possible. But I also just got told something today, so that's what is making me think that could happen sooner than later. Baiting you on the bridge update. Coming out here, we got a little bit of changes, nothing important though. We do have a big bit of news for the French Broad Bridge. They have a pumper truck sitting there. And I was like, why would they have a pumper truck? Why wouldn't they just run bars out or, whatever? Have just concrete trucks pouring into it. But apparently, they needed a pumper truck to put the concrete into that form. And um, I don't know what to call that frame thing. It had the um, smoother leveler machine running back and forth on it. So, you know, maybe the pumper truck was there so they could be on both sides of that leveler framework thing. I don't know what to call it. Sorry. If somebody is in construction, please let me know what that's called. But that's one end, and the other end has leveling going on, and the form is going on. So I'll have to do another short for that, and I will have to have that up. I'm not gonna I'm gonna have to spread out my shorts some because I can't put them all up in one day. I'll see what I can do about putting that up before the end of Saturday, though. Crane is still there. I wonder when that's going to move. And we've got these drainage pipes, because that's all that I've ever seen those used for. They're not pressurized. Can't be. But there's this hay rake here. Man, that thing was just glistening with the sun blinking off of it. It was crazy. Following it out of the valley there. And that's the update for the week. The Friday or Thursday, actually. Anyhow, the short run. Mondays are the long runs. And I'm thinking it might be done before June, at least on this end. We'll see. Lots is happening. And I wonder if they'll be done before I move. Oh, look up here to the left, the Pratt and Whitney sign. That shadow is right across the man's eyes. So you can't tell who it is, but we're letting you know that he works there. Oh, it's hilarious. Totally accidental, but it's just so perfect. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.